Even when I wanted to be an actor and wanted to move to Bombay, there are, your parents are not okay with things that are not considered safe. From the point I moved to Bombay, then I'm so glad pictures happened and changed my life. Writing is the most underrated and most important part of storytelling.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
We begin by asking not, how's life going and all, but I think rather how is the lockdown been for you all this while?
Like, it was very difficult in the beginning, yeah. I was in Bombay and I didn't know how to cook and all. But मैं खाता बहुत हूँ. So, like initially it was very difficult. Like first 10 days, then I think I made peace with it. I was also enjoying it.
You posted a throwback picture from Pictures. The show completed 5 years in June.
Yeah.
And
did you comprehend that it's been 5 years from when you rose to fame with that web series, we can say, to the journey till now?
I'm still not that actor who's shooting 12 months a year. So मैं वैसे भी बहुत समय घर पे खाली होता हूँ, and I'm still not that guy who steps out a lot. I don't I mostly prefer sitting at home, so I'm that person. So this thing has happened to me पहले भी. I would sit not only about last 5 years. I think about last 12 years. From the point I moved to Bombay, then I'm so glad pictures happened and changed my life. And yeah, I think about it. Yeah, I think about how things have happened. कहाँ से फिर क्या हुआ, फिर क्या हुआ, फिर क्या हुआ. तब ये था, अब ये है. I do think about it. I also talk about it when I talk to my parents now.
You like the fact that a lot of people think that you're an understated actor, or you like the way people don't have too much high expectations from you. How do you see yourself evolving from a very personal, not like personal and professional angle, where coming from a place like Delhi and of course with all these conversations happening about outsiders trying to be successful in Bollywood and all, where do you see yourself and how do you see yourself doing in that area?
It's been 5 years since the time Pictures came out, and people still, when they meet me, when they see me, they think about that show. So as far as my body of work is concerned, I haven't really done much. I've done few things, but people still remember me from that show. Maybe the other things that I've done, they're not that popular. People haven't really seen those. So I still have a long way to go. I was not, acting was happening to me on its own. It was like, it just came to me. Yeah. And the moment I got to know about it, I really wanted to do it, but I hadn't explored acting by then. I would like to believe that as an actor, I've become better since Pictures. I think I've definitely evolved in that. I don't know if it can come across when you watch me, when you see my work in different shows, because it's very difficult to isolate the performance from the show. I don't think I'm excellent in the show Pictures, but because the show is that good, it's so good that everybody they look good, because they look the part and it's beautifully edited and directed.
A lot of people have found Naveen Bansal very relatable. Starting to do something and then switching your career path is something that is even relevant in discussions from today. Do you somehow see real life experience as some realities that some similarities that you feel with your characters, which is also why Pictures could a lot of audience could resonate with it?
Absolutely. It's I think it's, I mean, yeah, that's the most normal thing that an actor does. I think I take most of the things from my own experiences.
The kind of people you have around on a set also kind of is very important. The ensemble is so important for your own reflection of your character as well?
Of course, yeah. I would like to tell you that Neil. You mentioned Neil. I would like to tell you Neil is my favorite co-actor. You know, you have not asked me this, but I would like to tell you I had a wonderful time shooting. He is not one of my favorite co-actors. He's my favorite co-actor. I had a wonderful time shooting with him, and that's only because of this. It's like there's times there's sometimes when the actors are not comfortable with you doing random things. They would want you to stick to the script, which is also good. There are certain actors, but there are certain times when you want to go out and do things that are not really there. So Neil is that actor. He would flow with you, and he would also do things that are not there in the script. So I also enjoy that. So I really had a good. So it's very important to have a good co-actor, yeah. And this I realized for the first time when I worked with Manvi Zaguru. There are scenes in the show in which I think I'm not very good, but she's fantastic, and people think the scene is because people it helps the chemistry also, it enhances the writing also, and it also have an impact on your performance, yeah, which is if you're working with a lesser actor, I think your performance also gets affected.
Did you have moments where people called you and they kind of still recognize you as Naveen Bansal and not Naveen Kasturia,
The show is so beautifully written. The characters are so beautifully written that and most of the people who are watching the show, they relate to it. Like I remember there was a moment I was outside a bar and the show had just come out, and there was a guy, he saw me and he just started crying. The kind of impact this show had, the writing had. By then I also didn't know about this kind of impact. Then after that we started going to colleges, and people would meet you and they would cry because I think most of us, in fact all of us are fighting a battle. We're like trying to make a name of, we're trying to be someone, and Naveen Bansal is like one of that guy, one of those
giving wings to people's dreams.
So I think he's probably this is the thing about his writing, Biswapati Sarkar. He makes it very relatable, and people can relate to, in fact, all the characters. I think people can relate a lot to Jeetu's character, because there are times we want to do things. Even when I wanted to be an actor and wanted to move to Bombay, there are, your parents are not okay with things that are not considered safe, whether you move to acting or entrepreneurship or direction or whatever, which the fields that are not pretty common. So that's the most beautiful thing about his writing, yeah. And I think writing is the most underrated and most important part of storytelling. अभी यहाँ पे हमने अलग-अलग फील्ड बना दिया, writing, acting, direction. But जब स्कूल में हम थे, स्कूल में या कॉलेज में, and we would work on a play. So the guy who writes the show, he is the creative guy. The guy who's actually writing the show, he is the creative guy. Ideas, stories किससे बन रही हैं? Ideas से बन रही हैं. Ideas तो writer ही लिख रहा है. So he should be the biggest star.